Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 16 April and we will start with today's highlight. Heatwave conditions and hot and humid weather likely to prevail over isolated pockets of central, east and peninsular India during the week. Also isolated heavy rainfall with lightning and thunderstorm very likely over Arunachal Pradesh during 18 to 20th, over Assam and Meghalaya during 16 to 19th, and over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim on 18th April. Now we'll see the observed weather during past 24 hours. So thunderstorm reports along with squally gusty winds with speeds reaching up to 50 to 70 km reported from Tamil Nadu, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, Odisha, East Madhya Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, and also along with wind speeds reaching 30 to 50 kilometers reported 30 to 50 km per hour reported from coastal Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat state, Marathwada, Bihar, West Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra, Arunachal Pradesh and Gangetic West Bengal. Now the observed weather during past 24 hours, temperature scenarios. Maximum day temperatures were in the range of 38 to 44 degrees centigrade at many places over the country except Western Himalaya region, North Punjab, Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim and Northeast India where these are less than 38 degrees centigrade. Yesterday, the highest maximum temperature of 44.2 degrees centigrade was reported at Akola, which is in Maharashtra. Now we'll see the symbiotic system prevailing over our region. Now the western disturbance is seen as a trough in middle and upper level subtropical westerlies running roughly along longitude 58 degree east to the north of latitude 32 degree north. Also there are a couple of upper air secondary circulations, one over North Haryana neighborhood, another over northeast Madhya Pradesh and neighborhood, and there are two troughs also, prominent east-west trough from southeast Rajasthan to Manipur, and also one trough from northeast Madhya Pradesh to Gulf of Mannar, all in lower tropospheric levels. And then on the upper layer, there are anticyclonic circulation over Karnataka and adjoining Maharashtra between lower and middle tropospheric levels. Now we'll see the forecast of maximum temperatures or daytime temperatures for next 7 days. Northwest India first, there is no significant change in maximum temperatures likely during next 7 days, that is 16 to 22nd April. Over central India, gradual rise in maximum temperatures likely by 2 degrees centigrade and during 16 to 19th April, and gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade on 21st and 20th April, and on 22nd April there will be no significant change from this value. Over Maharashtra and Gujarat, no significant change in maximum temperatures likely during 16 to 18th April, and then there will be fall, that is gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during 19 to 22nd April. Overall, over the rest part of the country, there will be no significant change in maximum temperature or daytime temperature scenario during the week. Now we'll see the subdivision-wise weather warning for day 1, that is for today. Orange warning is issued for Gangetic West Bengal and also over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. Hailstorm activity along with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty to squally wind speeds warning is given over Gangetic West Bengal. Thunderstorm activity along lightning and squally wind speed warning is given. That's why orange warning issued for those two subdivisions. Regarding thunderstorm activity, the thunderstorm warning, that is yellow warning, issued for Jammu and Kashmir and also over coastal Karnataka and over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand and also over Sikkim and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Also thunderstorm warning along with lightning and gusty wind speed is given. Over Assam and Himalaya, today there is a possibility of heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places. That's why yellow warning is issued over all this region. Now we'll see the heat wave and hot and humid weather scenarios. Heat wave warning is given today for East Madhya Pradesh, also Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada and North India, Karnataka. And hot and humid warning is given for almost all the coastal regions of our country, starting from Gujarat, Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. For day 2, because of the approaching western disturbance, there is a hailstorm warning for Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Orange warning is given for these 2 states. There will be also 1 or 2 places thunderstorm and lightning and gusty to squally wind speeds. That's why orange warning is issued for these 2 states for tomorrow. Yellow warning for thunderstorm activity is given for Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan and also over Odisha, coastal Andhra Pradesh and also over coastal Karnataka and northeastern states and also over West Bengal state. All these places yellow warning is issued for thunderstorm and lightning and gusty or strong winds. And over Assam and Meghalaya, heavy rainfall warning continues for day 2 also. Regarding heat wave scenarios, so heat wave conditions given for Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, North Interior Karnataka, and also over Rayalaseema. And hot and humid warning continues over the coastal regions of the country, as mentioned earlier: Gujarat, Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, and coastal Andhra Pradesh. For day 3, hot and humid warning also continues for the coastal areas of our country, except Konkan and Goa, where it is not given. Regarding heat wave warning is given for Madhya Pradesh, also Vidarbha and Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, North Interior Karnataka, and also over Rayalaseema. And thunderstorm warning is given for Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, and coastal Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and also over northeastern states, over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, Assam and Meghalaya, and also over Arunachal Pradesh. There is a possibility of heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places. Yellow warning is given for that also. For day 4, heat wave warning is given for central India, places such as Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and interior Odisha. All these places heat wave warning is given, and hot and humid weather warning is given for only for coastal Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Gangetic West Bengal. Regarding thunderstorm activity along with strong or squally wind speeds, yellow warning is issued for Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, and also over North Indian Karnataka, coastal Karnataka. All these places thunderstorm warning is given. Over northeastern states and also over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, thunderstorm warning is also given along with squally or strong wind speeds. And over Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, heavy rainfall warning continues for day 4 also. And over Arunachal Pradesh, the heavy rainfall warning continues for day 5, along with thunderstorm activity over all of the northeastern states. And thunderstorm warning over West Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, also over Marathwada, Madhya Maharashtra, North Interior Karnataka, coastal Karnataka, and also Rayalaseema, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and also over Chhattisgarh, Odisha. All these places there is a possibility of thunderstorm along with squally or strong wind speeds. All these places yellow warning is given. Heat wave warning for day 5 is given only for Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and Jharkhand. And hot and humid weather warning is only given for coastal Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, and also over Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal. For day 6, that over coastal Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal, hot and humid warning continues for day 6 and day 7 also. Thunderstorm warning is only for day 6 is only given for Marathwada. That's all for today. For more details and updates, please log on to our website and also download our Mausam app. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.